Samsung Galaxy A16 5G and 4G variants are expected to launch as successors to the Galaxy A15 5G and the Galaxy A15 4G handsets. Earlier leaks have shown probable design renders of the 5G option and suggested the expected launch timeline of the 4G version. The Galaxy A16 4G will have a 6.7-inch FHD plus resolution Super AMOLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate and 800 nit peak brightness. The Galaxy A16 4G powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, the same chipset that its predecessor carries. With up to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, Galaxy A16 4G carry triple rear camera units, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 5-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro shooter, and 13-megapixel selfie camera. Both Samsung Galaxy A16 5G and 4G options are expected to pack 5,000 mAh batteries each with support for 25W wired fast charging. The handsets weigh 200G each. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.